Hello everyone, Prof.Sumera is here. I am going to continue the numerical. This numerical already I have solved. Now this is a time that you have to solve yourself. Just think over it. You are going to simplify this numerical, or you may say you are just playing with the game. Already you are aware how you can play the game with the smartphone. You just think here you are playing the game, but that is a numerical and that is on the paper pen. Okay, that is nothing but on the paper or pen you are doing all these things. Just simply I am explaining, you just go through accordingly and do yourself with the help of the calci or without calci. This is very simple numerical, so without calci is also possible. Okay, but pay attention here. What is going on in this numerical? Here we are having total 4 points, that is the 4 vector you can say, and that is not in the equation form, that is in the point form. What is that 4 points? 4 points are nothing but A. In the A, this is the points, not the, what we can say, the equation that is mentioned in the points. So A in bracket 2, 3, minus 1. This is the X, Y and the Z. The coordinates are nothing but X, Y and the Z. Similarly, the other vector is the B, having the points 1, 5 and 2. And the C is the other vector 3, 1, minus 5. And the last vector is nothing but the D, that is 1, 2 and 3. Now pay attention. What they are asking in the numerical? They are asking in the numerical. In the previous cases we have gone through only the one vector and we have simplified the length, the unit vector. But here the combination of two vectors, we are working on the two vectors. Pay attention, all of you, be concentrate. So two vectors, that is nothing but AB here, other two vectors, that is nothing but the CD here. And what we are doing in these two cases, we are subtracting these two cases. Okay, so what is the first step? The first step should be, just take or find out the length between the AB, you may say, that is the first step. Second step, just find out the length or the distance between the CD, second step. And finally, just the subtraction between the whatever you got the equation from, final equation this one and the final equation this one, and subtract. Always how we are doing, the V is nothing but we are considering as a vector and the X, Y, Z are nothing but the function I already mentioned. And I have already told you in many lectures that the vector may be possible in the form of the points, or the vector may be represented in the form of an equation. In this case, the vector is represented in the form of a points. Now go start with the solution. What I mentioned here, A. What are my points? 2, 3, minus 1. And that points are in which coordinates? That is where the X, Y and the Z coordinates. So how we can write my equation? If you are doing a practice and practice, you will be able to do directly instead of comparing with the standard equation. No need to do every time with the standard A is equals to AX plus AY plus AZ and AZ. No need. That should be in your mind every time. That should be in your mind. So that is possible without doing every time the increasing the step better way, because we have very less time at the time of examination. So with the help of the practice, it is possible that you will do directly. So how we can compare A is equals to AX plus AY plus AZ with the help of our standard equation with the given equation. So 2AX 3 with the magnitude AY and minus 1 the AZ. Now go for the B. What is the B? B already mentioned 152. So here also 152. How I can write this point? How I can convert this point into the equation? Because the vector maybe then the point, the vector maybe the equation. If point is there, numerical maybe the asking the conversion from the point to the equation, or maybe from the equation to the point, vice versa. Now come to the how you can write the B. B is equals to, what is the point? 1AX plus 5 plus is there, so 5AY plus 2AZ. Is it clear? Now what we are doing here, AB. So I combine A and B. This AB is nothing but the point A to B, like this, A to B. Okay, so A and the B, and AB is nothing but the distance between these two. Okay, so why you are going to calculate the distance between AB? Already we have done in the last lecture. So AB is nothing but B minus A. A is the source, B is the destination. But why you are going to calculate the length or the distance between that? That should be destination minus of source. So B equation, AX 5AY 2AZ, AX 5AY 2AZ, minus of, what is my A? A is 2AX 3AY minus AZ. Just here is 1 minus 2. Just multiply these two equations. What is going on? Here is 1 minus 2. Here is 5. Here is minus is here. Always pay attention while minus sign is there. So this minus will multiply with the whole equation. So minus 3, 5 minus of 3. This minus will become a plus. So this 2 plus of 1. So you will get at the final equation of a product of AB, or the distance between the AB, is nothing but minus AX plus 2AY plus 3AZ. Yes, got it? Now step number 2. What is that? Step number 2. What is in the numerical? CET. So here see the point 3, 1 minus 5. 3, how I can write this point, how I can convert this point into the equation. That is a 3AX. In the AX direction, 1 you can't, no need to write. So AY directly minus 5 of AZ. Come towards the next, that is a D. D is a vector and the point is a 1, 2, 3. Again 1, no need to write here. AX plus sign is there, so 2AY. This 3 is the magnitude AZ. What is the next step? Already I have discussed, I have told you. So CED, so distance between this, that is a source to destination. So why you are going to calculate destination minus the source. So D, that is AX, 2AY, 3AZ. What is the C? Already you have done. That is a 3AX, AY and minus AY. So subtraction between these 2 points. So you will get as minus 2AX plus AY plus AZ. What is the third step? In the first step, we got AB. In the second step, we got the CD. Now just compare these two steps. So first is the AB, second is the CD. Now we are going to subtract. So first we got this equation already. Second we got this one from this point. Okay. Again subtraction is going on. So pay attention here. Minus will become as a plus. This will become as a minus, and this will become as again the minus. This term will be as it is, plus this equation will be changed just because of the minus sign. If you do compare, this will be the minus 1 and this will be the plus. So finally minus AX plus 2A. This is the 2AY. Here I written here 2AY. Second 2AY is nothing but minus of AY. Third is the 3AZ minus of AZ. So AX is here, AX is here, AY is here, AY is here. Now AZ is here, AZ is here. Just combine all these things, you will get as final answer of your AB minus CD is nothing but AX plus AY minus 5AZ. I hope you have understood. Now we will move toward the next numerical. Thank you.